indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include navigation system, sun moonroof, hands-free Bluetooth integration, third row seating. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2017 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom, as well as an authoritative 5.4-liter 3-valve V8 flex fuel engine. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, anti-lock braking system, quad seating, running boards, power passenger seat, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.